What's up, guys? I'm about to go gorilla whooping for the first time ever, and I'm a little bit nervous. I'm going to our mall, which is pretty much a dead zone. It's pretty sad and depressing in there, actually. But there shouldn't be a whole lot of people, and there should be some wide open places that I can do some playing and not get in too much trouble and probably not get kicked out. All right, I just got here, and the mall is empty like I just thought it was. But man, it is crazy, all of the closed down stores. I remember this place when I was a kid. And dude, that's kind of one of our hangouts, man. It's pretty cool place. But, now, look at this. There's just nothing. It's just dead. We're going to get unpacked here. Cute girl running. It's because I'm a dad and I want to start getting a lot of video for my kids and with my kids. And second is I'm a quadriplegic. About 4 years ago, I broke my neck and I have been crushing it ever since and way surpassed all the doctors, what they said I was going to be able to do. But I want to show other people that, just because we have a life-changing injury, doesn't mean it has to be a life-ending injury. You can still get out and play, you still get out and do stuff. You might not be able to run, but you don't need to run anyway. It's cool to go slow. It's cool to find new ways of doing stuff. Nothing is impossible. You just got to figure out, you got to get creative. But today I'm going to be flying a Beta FPV Air 65 that the camera's screwed up in, so I don't know how I don't really know how all the footage is going to go. I got 6 packs, maybe 5. One's a little poofy. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We're going to see what happens. Forget about all these stupid antennas. All this stuff got to be connected every time. I'll tell you what, the worst thing about this quadriplegic crap is not having your hands. I would talk a lot of smack about how much talent I had in my hands. I'd build something and be like, oh, there's a bunch of talent in these hands. And maybe there was, maybe there wasn't. They were certainly more used to then than they are now. Got mall walkers. A lot of elderly people come here to walk and get their exercise. I don't know how long the perimeter is around here like I used to, but it's a set thing that they do. I don't know what the hell's going on. I know I got no on-screen display. Alright, fuck it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
This sucks. It won't even do anything. This is horrible. Not very happy with the antenna performance. So, what that's all about. But I've got a patch antenna in there, but I don't have the little 45-degree adapter to put it on yet. Stupid me ordered everything but that. Tell you what, before we get out of here, I do want to show you this badass bag I got.